Hi folks, I'm Brent Coker and this is episode 5 of my 18 Marketing Tips in 18 Days series, where I choose a piece of marketing knowledge that's perhaps not so well known, but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. In this episode, I'm going to talk about something called anchoring. Now, when you think about the internet, it's a linear media, meaning that people can either go forward or they can go backward. So anchoring plays into this idea that it really matters what people see before they move on and see something new. Have a look at this example. So in scenario A, we've got somebody on the internet, they're browsing apparel and they see this tie for $40 and then they see the tie for $100. Compare that to scenario B, where we've got somebody who's just seen a suit for $2,000 and then they see that same tie for $100. Who's more likely to buy the $100 tie? Well, it's the person in scenario B, right? Because their perception of value is anchored on what they saw beforehand. So that's anchoring. When you're designing your content, make sure you take that into account. It matters what people see beforehand. Thanks for watching. This is episode 5 of my 18 Marketing Tips in 18 Days series. I'm Brent Coker. See you next time.